I am here with David, and we are at the Sheraton Hotel here at Universal City, and he's going to give us some information about the resort, you know, walking distances, things like that, to give all of you the information you need. So David, what are some fun facts about this resort? Maybe some room types?
Yeah, so, you know, the Sheraton Universal has 466 rooms. We also have about 22 suites, so we can accommodate a lot of different families or single travelers if you like. Of course, we do have meeting space, over 30,000 square feet of multi-use space, so we can coordinate anything from your family reunion to your corporate meeting.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And how about your partnership with Universal?
Oh, absolutely. So we are amazingly close walking distance to Universal Studios. But one of the great things is we also have a shuttle that comes every 15 minutes as long as the park is open. And they'll take you directly to Universal Studios as well as City Walk.
That's amazing. And what are some of the favorite amenities on this property?
Great. So we definitely have a lot of people utilize our bar in the mixed lounge, and we always try to do something fun and inviting for our guests. For instance, every weekend right now we have live pianist that comes in and plays for our guests. In the summertime, typically we'll have, you know, live music outside or next to our bar. So we have an outdoor poolside bar, which is really fun, especially for the folks in the summertime. Yeah, so things like that, you know, please come and enjoy some of the amenities here at the hotel.
Thank you so much, David.
Yeah, that's my pleasure. Thank you for being with us.
Hey everyone, so we are here at the Sheraton at Universal, and this is one of the 22 beautiful suites on this property. You've got a gorgeous king bed. You have a view of the gorgeous pool out here. It is so nice, and especially on a sunny day. It's a little rainy today. You'll spend a lot of time out there. This property is, of course, within walking distance to Universal, about a 7 to 10 minute walk, which is great. You have this sitting area with a table, which is perfect for breakfast in the morning or a late evening snack. You have this wonderful kitchenette over here. So lots of opportunities to bring snacks and things. You have this great big bathroom. And then one of my favorite features of this room is the closet. Look at all that space. Alright everyone, so we are here at a Standard King at the Sheraton at Universal. This room is gorgeous. You have a great theme park view. You have so much space. You've got a desk. You've got a great little seating area over here. Let's take a peek at that theme park view here. You can look right outside your window and see that adorable little minion hanging out over there. All of these rooms here at the Sheraton were renovated in 2019. And this room specifically is about 325 square feet, and it is used so well. You have storage along here, which is great. You have your fridge, your coffee, and then you have a bathroom that is just gorgeous and so functional. So this is your standard room here at the Sheraton at Universal. Okay, so we are at a junior suite at the Sheraton here at Universal. Now this suite's a little different because it's not a part of the normal 22 suites that they have on this property. So wait till you get to see this room. First, when you walk in, you have your bathroom right here. You've got some storage. You have lots and lots of storage in this room. It is just perfect for traveling. There's a place for everything. And you head into this great sitting area that you have here that overlooks the pool and the hills. You've got a huge couch over here. bed, a desk, and you have even more storage over here. This junior suite is absolutely perfect for a short stay or a long stay.